Welcome to my channel. I am collabing with XrsBeauty, and the wig that they sent me, the lace on it is the new clear lace. I'll be showing y'all how the laces lay. As you can see, the new clear lace, as you can see, very melted, the regular brown lace, and then we have the regular transparent lace. As you can see, y'all, the new clear lace definitely did its job. Definitely a 10 out of 10. All I did was spray, even holding spray on it. So the result speaks for itself, literally. Don't be fooled. If you do like high quality laces, definitely shop at XrsBeauty. If you like the melted look, already pre-plucked, already pre-bleached, literally everything, then yes, definitely shop at XrsBeauty. It gives off a natural hairline, very natural hairline. So if you aren't a big fan on plucking or bleaching your knots, then this lace is definitely for you. So guys, this is the final look. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with Xrsbeauty. Everything will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. I love the way the lace lay. It literally melted. He gave me no hard time. So yes, y'all, everything will be in the description box. It's exactly where it could be in the description box. Literally everything. Their website, their WhatsApp, their Instagram, literally everything, y'all. Y'all can go shop and use my discount code to get money off. If you are interested in shopping with Xrsbeauty, let them know that I did send you. Until next time, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in my next video.